Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to be talking a little bit about myself, my interest, and my goals for this semester. Oh, sorry. My name is Naveen Rascala, and I am currently in my second year of teaching third grade in Montgomery County Public Schools. My family is from Palestine, and I currently live in Maryland. I've been living here for 23 years, so I'm very familiar with the area and the school system here as well. So just a little bit about me. I got my bachelor's at the University of Maryland, and that's actually why I decided to go to UMGC because I really liked it there and I thought that the program was nice as well. In my free time, I like to do a couple of things. I like to play basketball, play the Nintendo Switch, play the violin, and I also really love to read. One of my favorite foods is sushi, and one of my favorite animals are whales. So my long-term goal, like looking towards the future, I love the classroom and it's nice, you learn a lot, but I don't feel that that is my final destination, so to speak. Kind of going into education, I've always wanted to be in the background, like do background work, like building curriculum or instructional design, things like that, or even higher education. So I'm hoping that this degree will help me achieve those goals and kind of open the doors for something a little bit different. So my expectations for this course, I would really love to learn more about being a leader in technology and how I can help my school stay up to date about the latest tech. So, you know, being a leader, things like being able to communicate effectively or how to reach everyone on the staff, things like that to kind of help me guide people into the new age of technology. And that's about it. Thank you so much.